combine harvester is an incredibly powerful machine used for farming crops like wheat, rice, corn, and barley. Welcome to our edit zone, where we cover in-depth reviews of heavy machinery and the newest cars. Modern combine harvesters come in various engines, usually ranging from 150 horsepower to over 600 horsepower, according to the size and model. The grain tank capacity can also vary. Small and medium-sized combine harvesters can store anywhere from 5,000 to 8,000 liters of grain, while larger machines can store up to 14,000 liters or more in their grain tank before unloading. The machine can harvest several acres of crops within an hour, making farming faster and more efficient. Some well-known brands producing combine harvesters are John Deere, Claas New Holland Agriculture, and Massey Ferguson. They produce numerous models with powerful engines and large grain storage tanks for modern agriculture. The unloading auger can quickly transfer the grain to a truck or tractor trolley, taking approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Combined harvester also features broad headers, usually 4 to 12 meters wide, enabling it to cut a wide area of crops in just one go. Thanks to its powerful engine, large grain tank, and advanced threshing and cleaning systems, this machine saves a huge amount of time and work for farmers, making modern farming even more productive. Some of the most famous companies creating these machines are John Deere, Claas, New Holland Agriculture, Case IH, and Massey Ferguson.